Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable ads on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, disable ad settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type private DNS into the search bar. A few options might pop up, like Wi-Fi settings or Bluetooth suggestions, but you want the one that says just private DNS. This is the setting that allows you to route your traffic through a DNS provider that blocks ads at the network level. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Private DNS. This will open a new page where you can choose how your phone handles DNS queries, which is basically how it connects to websites and apps. Tap on Private DNS again if you see a prompt. You'll then be taken to a screen where you can select different options. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select Private DNS Provider hostname. Then, in the field that appears, enter this exact hostname. This uses AdGuard DNS, which is a trusted service that blocks ads, trackers, and even some malware across all apps and browsers on your phone. Tap Save and you're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.